Opposition activists aligned with former Citizens Coalition for Change (CCC) leader Nelson Chamisa are reportedly vying for positions within their yet-to-be-launched party. Welcome back to Zim News Live YTS, where we give you latest updates about what's transpiring in Zimbabwe. Before we go any further, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss any updates. Chamisa's close allies, led by Amos Chibaya and Gift Siziba, have been mobilizing support on Chamisa's behalf through the so-called Blue Movement political initiative. The Standard reports that the process of selecting grassroots leaders for the movement has resulted in divisions. Some opposition leaders eager to be associated with Chamisa are asserting themselves in specific positions. The publication cited an anonymous source as saying, "There is a selection of cluster leaders who are in general district leaders that is currently underway, but there are disputes over the way they are being selected." This is today's news about there being stampedes for posts in Chamisa's Blue Movement campaign. Let us know what you think in the comment section down below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss any updates.